Hey car lovers! Welcome back to @Carog765, the place where classic legends come back to life. Before we jump into today's masterpiece, take a second to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss out on iconic machines like this one. Alright, today we're diving deep into one of the most striking, luxurious, and powerful American cars of the early 1960s, the 1961 Chrysler 300G. Exterior design. Let's start with the looks, because this car turns heads even in 2025. The 1961 Chrysler 300G was the sixth in Chrysler's iconic, letter series, known for blending luxury with muscle. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't your average 60s cruiser. Long, low, and wide body. Jet age-inspired tail fins. A unique pancake-style front grille. Dual headlights tucked in with confidence. The car sits like a rocket ship on the road, and that was no accident. The 60s were all about space-age styling, and Chrysler made sure the 300G looked like it belonged on a launch pad. The chrome details, sculpted lines, and wraparound rear end make this car a true rolling sculpture. Engine and performance. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, the 300G came with a beastly 6.8-liter V8 engine, also known as the 413 cubic inch wedge, producing 375 horsepower and nearly 500 Nm of torque. But that's not all. This car featured Chrysler's legendary cross-ram intake manifold, where the carburetors were mounted on opposite sides of the engine and fed long, crisscrossed intake runners. What did that mean? Power, and lots of it, especially at high RPMs. The result? 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8 seconds, crazy fast for a luxury coupe in 1961. It came with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, smooth and reliable, one of the best automatics of its time. Interior and comfort. Step inside the 300G and it feels like entering the cockpit of a private jet. Plush leather bucket seats, available in red or black. 6-way power adjustable front seats. A futuristic instrument cluster called the Astrodome, with a spinning speedometer and glowing gauges. Optional air conditioning, power windows, and a factory push-button radio. Everything inside was driver-focused, futuristic, and extremely comfortable. This wasn't just a muscle car, it was a true grand touring luxury coupe. Driving experience. Driving the Chrysler 300G wasn't just about speed, it was about presence. With its heavy-duty suspension and wide stance, the car handled better than most big cars of the era. You felt planted on the road, even at high speeds. And despite its size, it cornered surprisingly well for a 60s land yacht. This was a car built for long-distance highway cruising at high speeds, in style and comfort. Legacy and rarity. Now here's the real kicker. Chrysler only built 1,617 units of the 300G in 1961. That makes it extremely rare today. And because it combined performance, luxury, and bold design, it's now one of the most sought-after collector cars from the era. At auctions, a well-preserved or restored 300G can fetch $100,000 or more, and the value keeps rising. It's often called the gentleman's muscle car, or even the banker's hot rod. Why? Because it had the class of a Cadillac and the heart of a drag racer. So there you have it, the 1961 Chrysler 300G. A car that perfectly blended muscle and elegance, raw power and refined style. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever seen one of these in real life? Would you pick this over a 60s Mustang or Camaro? If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Subscribe to @Carog765. And stay tuned for more classic automotive legends coming your way. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, stay curious. And I'll see you in the next one.